Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quants App. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,264, 70 points gains, 0.39%. Nifty futures shut shop. Yesterday, we had a holiday due to Guru Nanak Jayanti. 41,845 on Nifty Bank futures, 426 points gains, close to 1% gain witnessed in Nifty Bank futures. Well, the SGX is pointing to a positive tinge. 140 points gain, total 18,405 is expected trading point as of now. So we could open close to 18,400 levels. That's what the scenario is. Well, looking at the Nifty charts, again, 18,500 happens to be the litmus test. 19,000 intermittent 18,850 is the resistance point. Supports being close to 18,000 and 17,800. Well, some amount of short covering was witnessed on 7th, as far as the Nifty futures chart indicates. So let's see how that pans out, because we have a large set of longs in intermittently. Only one short has emanated, which is not quite a bit. So that's probably got covered also in some sense. So we have very few shorts in the system, and most of them are longs which are prevailing. Nifty open interest as far as the options are concerned, 19,000 stiff resistance point as per the call OI picture. Of course, 18,500 happens to be the intermittent resistance point for the Nifty. On the lower side, 18,000 happens to be 18,000 jo hai, wo hai major put OI, and that's going to be the support. और उसके बाद देखा जाए तो 17,800 का थोड़ा बहुत है, and 17,500 is the major level again, which is the put OI. Bank Nifty देखें तो 42,000, 42,500, and supports being 41,000 thereabouts, 41,500, 41,000. Of course, it's a mixed bag here in Bank Nifty. So let's see how that pans out, because we are seeing some amount of longs, but then there are some shorts in the system which were there earlier on. Looking at the Bank Nifty OI picture from options, 42,000, 42,500 are the two major levels on the higher side, and 41,500 and 41,000 are the major support zones as per put OI. Bank of Baroda, Britannia, Amara Batteries are the top gainers. DV's Lab, Marico, Vedanta Limited were the top losers. As far as the index contribution is concerned, we see 2,390 points from private banks. That's one of the largest contribution, and PSU banks are 16.97 positive points. Negative contribution from pharma, 15 points negative. IT also 4 points negative contribution. So all in all, a mixed bag, but fewer on the short side, fewer negative nuances. Much of the positivity prevails. Well, auto ancillary, Bank Nifty stocks, cement are the sectors on the long side. As far as the built up is concerned, infra and pharma on the short side. PFC, one stock, resistance, immediate resistance 122.50. Surpassing that, one could witness a twirl of positive momentum. Of course, 114 on the lower side is the major support, and 115 thereabouts, that's, and 110. So you have 125 and 128 as the major resistance levels on the higher side. So I think the surpassing of 123 would be critical for the stock. So, and the RSI is overbought, as you can see. So a pullback can be witnessed in this, but 122.50 is the litmus test or the resistance point, which one has to look at. As far as the built up is concerned, we are seeing some amount of short covering, but we have not seen long still, short positions till the earlier October 22nd. So post that, we have seen longs or short covering kind of situation in this stock. So let's see how that evolves during the day. So there could be a pullback, as I mentioned, considering the RSI being overbought. So that's the scenario. 120 and is the litmus test in as far as the open interest picture is concerned on the options front. 125 is the next major resistance level. Supports being 115 and 110. The other stock which is on the radar is Tata Com. 1333 is the resistance point and 1404 is the next major resistance. Supports being 1258 and 1258, 1230 range, and the next major resistance is 1200. That's a major support zone is 1200, 1258. Those are the two support zones as far as Tata Com is concerned. Again, we have not witnessed a short in this stock for quite some time actually. So we are in the long unwinding regime primarily. So we'll see how this evolves during the day. Again, 1300 happens to be the litmus test. It's quoting slightly above that. And major resistance as far as the call OI is concerned is 1400. And on the support zone, it's 1200. No stocks in the ban list. Before we move ahead, I would like to highlight to you that please consult your financial advisor before participating in derivatives market, and it is extremely important to follow strict stop losses as per risk appetite of oneself. So that's it. And 18,000 is the major support zone as of today. 41,000 in case of Bank Nifty. Auto ancillary, Bank Nifty stocks, cement are long built up, short built up is infra and pharma. We discussed about the two stocks, PFC and Tata Com. Ban list, there are none stocks in the ban list. And that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.